Okay, we're gonna do a reaction to one guy screwdriver.
Yeah, thing. Screwdriver.
Okay.
Wait, sorry, that's nothing personal. To be honest.
Wait, where's the thing?
Okay. Alright, I'm about to watch this.
Can you give this back? He made it for me. So sweet. Wait, you like him? I mean, I was expecting to find an answer, and instead I found this really sweet, smart guy. I'd love to get to know that. But I guess it's
This should be illegal.
Look.
Don't let me. Like terrorists were laughing at us. Is it real blood?
Apparently.
Put a screwdriver in the thing. The thing. Ew. Ew. That is nasty business.
Okay, so the wand drill test is about to start. I'm going to use the copycat spell, and it'll make you do everything that I do. We'll totally pass the test. This set, copycat. It worked. Probably better if we don't talk.
Oh my god. I'm always gonna listen to you now.